YouTube Live is making the features available to you more competitive and increasing the ability for you to have a conversation with your audience. Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham-Zabolinsky, and this week on Hard Facts, we're going to talk about how you need to pay attention to these new features hitting you on YouTube Live. So YouTube Live changed all of these available features to be able to work for your channel if you have over 1,000 subscribers. So this makes the promotion at the end of any video you create even more and more important for people to subscribe to your channel. And so here are some of the features that are now rolling out in the next few weeks. The first one is going to be the ability to make sure the chat you're having with your audience during your YouTube Live stays for the entire life of that video. So now once you post that video to your YouTube channel, the chat will be right alongside it. In addition to that, you're going to be able to add 3 more features. Part of these 3 features is the ability to add location tags to your mobile live stream. It's a great opportunity because now people can discover your content while your information is location tagged. The additional thing here too is the if this then that technology integration, which I love because it allows it to say if this happens then do that. And a new feature, not new to the platform itself, but new to iOS devices, is the use of Super Chat. So this is kind of a cool feature that allows you to have a monetization effort. So if somebody is going to be engaging with your YouTube Live, they can chat you. And through Super Chat, they can highlight a color and add a denomination to make sure their chat reaches the top of your chat box. So whether it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes or $2 or $5 they invest, the benefit here is it's going to appear to you on your YouTube Live chat more prominently for that engagement. So these are just some of the great features that YouTube is changing and adding to make their platform more robust for your utilization in YouTube Live. Happy experimenting, but as you get out there and utilize YouTube Live, don't forget, promote that subscription, because that's what's going to get you these additional features.